Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this insulin cooler travel case. This thing is absolutely awesome, jam-packed, lots of different options. It is TSA approved. You could carry other stuff in here. I think this would also be really good for a GLP-1 if you have to take that with you, and I'll show you how it all fits together. So right off the bat, you're going to get this right over here. You're also going to get two ice packs right over here. It already comes with batteries for this digital thermometer that is already installed in here. You don't have to do anything with that. And it also comes with another set of batteries as well in case you need to change them. If you needed to change them, you just go up here and you'll see right in there. You're just going to pop that off and do what you got to do here. So these two ice packs right here, they are also TSA approved. You just freeze them for about 8 to 10 hours, and they'll last up to 8 hours in 86-degree heat. So just keep that in mind. If you're not in that hot of temperatures, they will most likely last longer, but that's all you need to know. So this is the pouch right in here where you're going to put your pens. If you kind of had a GLP-1, this is kind of would just fit right inside here. You're doing insulin pens. You could easily fit probably 3 or 4 pens in here if you wanted to. We also have this mesh pouch right here. So if you had kind of alcohol swabs you wanted to put in here or something else that you wanted, you could easily put that in there just really easily. Maybe keep the batteries in there as well. So I like the fact that this will strap it down. To use these ice packs right over here, you're easily just going to pop them in just like that. Pull this flap up like that, and then we're going to zipper it like that. And there's another one right on the bottom here. So I like the fact that the ice packs actually zip into a pouch. You don't have to worry about them roaming around free or anything like that. So now we're all zipped up just like this, and we're kind of good to go. And then we'd put whatever we wanted to right in here and zipper this up. I like the fact that you would zip up the pens and they don't sit loose because it will be nice and like strapped in right over here, which is great. And then we would just zip this. The nice part about this is the zipper on this thing. It is kind of crazy. It really traps the air in here. It's a nice hard case as well. This tight zipper really makes it hard for the cold air to get out of here. You'll see when we started this video, we were at about 70. Now we're really going down. We're at 68 right over here, which is so you can see that it's working. I like the idea that you can see what temperature it is inside of here. I also like the fact that this would be easy to throw in a backpack. You also have this strap right over here, so you could easily just hook this right over here into there, and then you have a little carrying right over here. I could also see you putting this you could use a carabiner on here if you wanted to. You could put this on your wrist. The size on this is really nice as well. I could easily see just throwing this in a backpack, which would be really easy. Does not take up a lot of space at all. It's about 8 by 4 by 3, so not too bad at all. Again, the whole zipper thing for me is super important because I don't want any of this air getting out of here. You can just see, look at how that's working right there. It really went down like 8 degrees since we've been doing this video, so you can definitely tell that that works as well, and it's nice to see. And then if you were once you're done traveling or whatever, you could literally just take these out. This is also really easy to clean if you needed to clean it. You easily just take a cloth like that. Really nice. And then let's just say you were staying at a hotel or something or an Airbnb, you could just pop these guys right in the freezer and you are good to go. So you don't have to worry about like really a ton of storage on these, which is nice. I've kind of did other ones before and they are kind of more plasticky. These are just free, and I love the fact that you could zip everything up and keep everything secure. So if you're looking for a great insulin travel case that's easy to use, can keep everything cool for up to 8 to 10 hours, just depending on the temperature out there. Has this built-in thermostat, comes with batteries, comes with two ice packs, and everything is TSA approved. You can hold about 4-ish pens and other accessories. Definitely check this out.